as it is said in the Bible.
In the Bible.
John, the book of John.
The book of Jonathan.
Chapter 3, verse 16.
Chapter 3, verse 16, 316.
It says, oh God loved the world so much that He gave.
Present tense of giving.
His one and only Son.
Begotten. That's a double dictionary. This one.
So that everyone who believes in Him will not, let me say it again,
will not.
one more time. I understand. Yeah. Perish.
Will not perish like a vampire.
Which means to decay or die.
To decay